In this short video, we'll go over logging into Mojo Helpdesk and working with tickets. Start off by up in the upper right corner, click Log in to check your tickets and use your school email account. Back to the top, click on Back to Helpdesk. And now you're looking at all the tickets that have already been assigned to you. We're going to go down to the left here to Open Maintenance Ticks to see all the open maintenance tickets. I have a test one already prepared here. We'll click on that to open it. And here's where we're going to see the request, the details of the request, location, time required, that sort of thing. All of that stuff would be in here. We're going to reply to the user saying done because it is done. We're going to scroll down, click on Assign to Me to claim it, then click Update and Solve. That's all there is to working with tickets in Mojo Helpdesk.